Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but all of the downloads in Google Play Store are stuck on the pending in OPPO A2x. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and here just to show you, let's try to install something like Standoff right here. And yep, it is stuck in the pending. We can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. Open the settings, right here scroll all the way down and go for additional settings. Then date and time, and enable set time automatically. If you close your Google Play Store as it is recommended, and then open it again and try to install Standoff again, now it should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.